We're very excited to partner, first of all, with the New Orleans Super Bowl host committee and to bring a lot of the programming of the Super Bowl right here in St. John Parish, of course, where the Garyville refinery is located, where we live and where we work. So very exciting.
The Super Bowl is not just about the game. It's not just about the game that's being played on Sunday where everybody around the world is watching, but also it's the fact that we need to leave a lasting impact and legacy on the local community at large.
Fantastic.
Let the youth know and inspire them that, hey, you can have a career in STEM, right? You want to make sure they have hands-on activations, experiencing what the world has to offer for them to do.
I think that it's very important to have these partnerships because our students sometimes don't understand the connection between, again, the classroom and the workforce.
And then there's also a lot of weight up here at the top.
Hopefully the kids can recognize that learning can be fun, work can be fun, and it's about finding your passion.
What do you think about these types of events?
I think this is great. We love this. We love this. We come from educators, so this is very important to us.
St. John the Baptist Parish, kind of a suburban area. Families don't have to drive to Orleans Parish. They don't have to go to New Orleans to get some of the same events and activities that are happening in the Super Bowl. It's right here in their backyard here in St. John.